Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and today the crypto streets are just full of blood. The markets are tanking. There's a lot of different theories. Well, there's not a lot. There's a few different theories out there. I'm going to talk about them. I'm going to show you that this happened nearly to the day last year as well. Talk about a theory there. And of course, we have to talk about the Bitcoin Cash fork that's happening tomorrow, which is a lot of gasoline on this fire as well. So I plan on doing a video to reveal a new brand that I'm rebranding the channel to, but I'm going to keep all that for tomorrow because this here is a lot more important. So Bitcoin way down, Ethereum way down. Basically the whole market is crashing. No matter what you look at in the top 100, few small little greens. Two of them are stable coins. Not sure what MoAC is. So look, let's go back over to an actual chart first, and we will look back at last year. So the chart you are looking at right now is not actually today's chart. These big red candles are not today. This is November 9th is when it started here, 2017, where the market took a dive from 7,500. It went from all the way down over 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It came down to 5,500. So it dropped $2,000 in that time frame. So between the 9th of November and the 12th of November last year. So nearly exactly to the day. And we are in around these levels at the minute. So right now the Bitcoin price is around 5,400, 5,500. Could be different by the time this video is published. So we are sitting around that level. So look, there are theories out there that, yeah, we're going to start off the big spike now, going from 5,500 right up to near the 20,000 mark like we did last year. I don't think it's going to be like that at all this year. I do think that we are going to go up from this. Have we hit the exact bottom? I don't know. We are on a very important level. If I come right back up to date here, we are on a very important level for me at the minute, this $5,400 level. You can see we did briefly go down through it. Let's switch to the hour. So we did briefly go down through it and we can back up. So we need to hold this level here. If it goes down past the $5,400 level, then the next one I think I have on the chart is about 4,100, 4,200, somewhere like that. So this is a level that needs to be held in order for us to reverse this and try and start climbing up again. So some of the theories around why this happened last year is to do with hedge funds. So tomorrow is the last day that people who are involved in hedge funds, that they can request to have their funds taken out. So a lot of, well, some of the growing theories out there at the minute is that this time last year, the same thing happened. People pulled their funds, their money out of hedge funds. It does take up to 30 days for them to get that funds back into their account before they can invest. But if this trigger was happening, there could have been Wall Street coming in at this stage that incentivized that big bull run. So hedge funds haven't been doing all that well at the minute either. So are we looking at the same kind of thing potentially happening now? We don't know, but it is one theory that's out there. As well, if you look at Backed is happening on the 12th of December, which is nearly 30 days from now, when people will have their funds out of the hedge fund. So again, coincidence? Probably not. But look, all of this, if what was going on with Bitcoin Cash wasn't happening, we could look at this and say, yes, this is exactly what happened last year and this is going to happen again and we're going to spike and it's all going to be great. But there is a huge situation happening at the minute with Craig Wright and the Bitcoin Cash split, which is happening tomorrow. So most people, I would say, in crypto know now that Bitcoin Cash is splitting tomorrow. So Craig Wright has basically declared war on the other side. So he is standing for Bitcoin Satoshi's vision, and then there is BitcoinABC, which is going to, or sorry, Bitcoin Cash ABC, and that's going to be the other side. At the minute, Craig Wright looks to be destroying them in terms of hash power. He has bought up a lot of hash power, turned a lot of hash power over to Satoshi's vision. So it looks like it will become the dominant chain after tomorrow. So the split is happening, I think, around 4:40 or something like that, sometime before 5 o'clock GMT time. Again, check that on your exchanges or wherever you're keeping your coins if you are looking for that split. But this post is one he put up earlier to all BTC miners. If you switch to mine BCH, basically they will be moving funds from BTC, and where is it? He says that he will then start selling off Bitcoin to get USD to put back into mining on Bitcoin Cash. So again, basically warning Bitcoin miners that do not go and support Roger Ver and Bitmain on their side of the Bitcoin Cash fork. So he's going crazy. You can check out his tweets. Here's his latest one. Damn shame Bitmain had their day, now it's over. So again, he's out to completely destroy them. Look, he's on a complete power trip at the minute, and unfortunately this guy has the resources to do this. And no matter what's going on in the Bitcoin world at the minute with Bitcoin Cash and all of that, this kind of internal fighting again is not good for the long-term Bitcoin. So people look at this and all they see from the outside is one crazy guy going mad, and he has the potential to manipulate the markets to this degree. Maybe this is not the only thing that has done the markets. As I say, we do have potentially what happened with the hedge funds. That may be something in there as well. But people looking from the outside, they're going to see the news. They're going to see Bitcoin crashes. They're going to see Craig Wright brings down Bitcoin Cash ABC. And it just doesn't look good. All of this kind of stuff going on within the market. So this guy wants to bring Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. What a shit name. Bitcoin Satoshi's vision. Even if it is sticking exactly to what Satoshi wanted, naming the coin Bitcoin Satoshi's vision is just doesn't really sit well with me, but everyone to their own. So look, he's talking again, he's got all these patents, he's going to basically destroy the other side of Bitcoin Cash. So that's really what's going on, the potential of what is bringing everything down at the minute. There may be more news, but after I post this, I'm not exactly sure. At the minute, for me, this is the level, the $5,400 that needs to be held. There are some decent buys out there in the altcoin market as well, but none of what I'm telling you here now is financial advice, because if you are not experienced, you don't fully know what's going on, then it's probably not a good time to be in buying and selling in the market, because people could be wrecked already from this big drop. If you're in buying and selling, you could get wrecked even more. So trade very carefully if you're getting involved. Personally, I went into BitMEX. I've been testing it, been looking at it for a long time now. I put on my first trade on BitMEX. I went long on Bitcoin. I'll actually show you, it doesn't really matter. Went long on Bitcoin. As you can see, it is in the negative at the minute. These are small trades, so I was in testing the platform. The Ethereum one, I was contemplating putting it on. Didn't mean to put it on, but I put it on anyway. Put it on kind of by mistake, even though I had set up this price because I thought Ethereum couldn't really go much lower than that. But it's in as well, so I didn't bother cancelling. I left it. I'm going to see where these go over the next few days. Tomorrow is definitely going to be interesting. I will probably come back on, maybe for a live stream tomorrow. I'll show you how these two trades are going. I do have lots of space on the Bitcoin one. The liquidation is down around the 4,670 mark. If we hit that, then it could be panic stations. We'll see where it goes. So I don't think we're going to come down that far. I do hope to hold around this 5,400 and push right up again over the next few days. As I was saying, on the altcoins, there's lots of bargains out there too. Ontology is one that I picked up earlier. I planned to buy Ontology today anyway. Went in and got it at a really nice price. It's up about 15% now from where I bought. I also got lucky on it. Binance was kind of glitching and lagging on me when I was trying to put the order in. It kept logging me out, so I put in the order and didn't think it went through. Came back in again. It wasn't showing the order gone through. I put in the order a second time and it went through, and then I realized later on that both of them had gone through, which turned out to be a lot of luck in that. So take a look out for coins like that. If they're coins you believe in long term, now could be a very good time to buy them, but look at the Satoshi value, not at the USD value, unless you are coming in with new funds to the market. So hopefully this has helped put some light on what's going on. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If there's more out there that's going on, let me know. And give the video a like, give it a share if you think that this is a decent explanation of what's going on. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.